Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Eric. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take off your drone from a small little boat like this one. A good friend of mine from YouTube named Rebecca Meyer, she asked me this question some months ago I think, and I never got to do it, so this is the time I want to do it. And currently I use the Mavic Pro, this little drone, and I also brought my old broken Phantom 3. Just want to give you guys an example. If you happen to have a drone like this, taking off from a small boat is pretty easy because it's got long legs, and eventually when you bring it towards you, you can just grab it by the legs and hold it down and shut it off. The Mavic though is a little bit different. It's more challenging, and most YouTubers that I've talked to, they have the Mavic Pro. So I already got everything set up. I already got the drone activated, and I got everything set up on my camera and the remote. So I'm just gonna take off, and by taking off, I'm gonna also bring it towards me and catch it. I want to show you guys how that works. And part of this video, I also want to see if I can catch some clouds on the sky. My lovely assistant here will show you some clouds on the sky. I'm hoping to catch some. So anyway, we're gonna take off. Pretty straightforward. You set it up on a flat surface. I usually like to activate it manually, like so. Like that. Take off, and you start, doing your recordings and whatnot. Now to bring it back, the Mavic Pro uses some sensors. You're gonna have to turn them off. If you don't turn off the sensor, the drone is gonna fight you. So you don't want that. So once you're done recording and you're doing your shots on the water and whatnot, you go ahead and shut off the sensors, which I'm just about to do now. So once you want to bring it back, of course you bring it towards you. The Mavic Pro unfortunately doesn't have big legs that you can grab onto, but it has little front legs you can actually play with. I'm hoping that the camera can capture this properly. You want to bring the drone closer to you. Grab it on the legs and shut it off. And that, my friends, is how you actually catch the drone. By the little front legs. They're pretty sturdy, so you don't have to worry about it breaking. This thing is well built. I mean, well built. You can actually grab onto the little leg, hold onto it, and shut off the propellers, and then you can bring it down. Otherwise, your drone is gonna end up in the water. You don't want that, so yeah. Anyway, that's the video for today, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shut the drone in the air and hopefully catch some clouds. One more thing, I wanna add my lovely, beautiful assistant. Aren't you pretty? This is the first time I bring somebody with me, so yeah, I'm excited. Anyway, onto the skies. Well, although I wasn't able to catch the clouds, and I do apologize, I was hoping for it, maybe some other time, but I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Later!